bird known as the case bird. I found its wife is the male one is Frank. Queso is the male one. Every flamboyant almost destroyed the world in the prehistoric times. So, the humans, decided to make the sports kill case birds so it doesn't destroy the world. Let's play Prince Bat. Let's play the boss fight. Hello, noob. What do you mean? That's right, I brought heads from the other dimensions to defeat you and turn this world back to how it was. What do you mean, Israel? What's that? You want to stop me? I like to see you try. Let's look what I have. Oh! Why did you throw my gun? Now your gun is gone. How dare. Oh, and I have a force shield too. Bro, not fair. Let's fight, noob. After every fight, I always have to die. Come on, I think this is the last hit. What? Only this? Oh, I know. There's 3 more. This one's 10, 16, 15. It's the last hit. did. Now I'm in heaven. I'm blessed. I think I'm getting blessed. Maybe I'm not blessed. Stop it. Stop saying my brother's using guys. Why am I so slow? Oh my god. Oh. Actually, also please donate me Robux, okay? I promise next time if I have like 1 trillion Robux, I'm gonna donate you guys. Really, I'm not lying. Okay, bye bye. This is the end of the video.